Hey everyone, we're going to do a quick video today to announce the Energem contest winner.
And we're also going to show you a few sets we've been working on. We'd like to also talk about an upcoming show we have. So let's get to it.
Alright, I don't want to keep you guys waiting any longer, so without any further delays, the winner of the Energem contest is, drumroll please.
Sorry.
Winner? Awesome. So thank you everybody for commenting, everybody who participated in the contest. We love hearing your experiences and we want to keep hearing your experiences.
Yes, we do. We've been really busy this month preparing for an upcoming event that we have here in Sudbury. It's called the Maker Fest and it takes place at our Science Center. It's the second annual Maker Fest and it's the second time we'll be participating, but the first time as KCG Props and Art. So we've been working really hard on a few sets, including some fingerling displays and a lot of action figure sets that we've been using the similar techniques and same materials that we've been using in our previous videos that you can watch on this channel right here.
We hope you guys enjoyed the sneak peek at the sets that we've got that we'll be showing off at Sudbury Makers Fest. Be sure to check us out there because we're going to have a lot more than just that. I've got an episode coming up of Let's Paint Something where I'll be doing Zeo Gold. I'll show you how to get a proper gold on everything that should be gold, as well do your black wash to really make those details pop out.
Zeo! Make sure you comment and like the video and don't forget to subscribe. If you want any updates on your mobile phones or your computers, please press that little bell there, alright? Have yourself a good day and we'll see you soon.